Hey, Sue here from Mill Valley Ranch. I want to tell you about the 3 key aspects of a successful camp for students. Hey, the first key, it's acceptance. We want every child that comes to this ranch to know that they are accepted and a part of our community and have a wonderful experience. Doesn't matter what their story, doesn't matter who they are or where they've come from. We want them to just know they're welcome and can have a great time here. The second key is belonging. We want every student to experience good old-fashioned relationships with other people and with our horses. It's an amazing thing to experience connection with a horse. The third key, we want every student to have an experience they will value for the rest of their life. It's important that they leave Mill Valley Ranch with an incredible experience and an incredible sense of community they will carry with them forever.